Hello children, hi, this is Farheen Miss. Today we are going to learn English first poem, that is bridge. Now what is bridge? Bridge means a path or road that is built over the river. Let's see short summary of poem. What basically the poem is about? The poem is about nature. In the poem, the poet has compared different types of things that are present in nature, which are mentioned in the poem. Poet is describing the beauties of nature. Now children, what is nature? Nature that are natural things, things that are made by God. For example, river, seas, clouds, rainbow, sun, moon, star, etc., which are made by God. Now come to first page, poem name bridge. Listen and recite the poem with actions. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Poet is Christina Rossetti. Now let's see what poet is telling in the poem. Boat sail on the river. You can see in the picture, where do boat sail? On the river. That means it travel on the river. Travel from one place to another. So boat is of smaller size and it carry few passenger. You can see in the picture. And ships sail on the sea. Where do ships travel? On the seas. Okay. Ship is bigger in size and it carry many passenger. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Now in this picture, clouds that sail across the sky, that travel from one place to another across the sky, are far prettier than these. What are these? These are boats that sail on the river and ships sail on the seas. Okay, the cloud, poet is telling that cloud are far prettier. Prettier means nice to look at. Then the boat that travel on the river and ship that travel on the seas. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. Now bridges that are built over the river are pretty as you please. But both that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. Bow here, rainbow. Bow means rainbow. In rainbow, it has 7 color: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So here, poet is telling bow means rainbow, that bridges heaven, that goes to heaven and overtops the tree. Okay, children, what is heaven? Heaven is a place of peace and delight, a good place, a beautiful place, and overtops the trees. You can see in the picture trees, and it's going above the trees. And builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Builds a road that goes from down to up. It's just like a bridge built, okay, from earth to sky. Is prettier far than these. Is most beautiful thing to watch, to view than these, than the bridges that are built over the river, boat that sail on the rivers, and ship that sail on the seas, cloud that sail across the sky. Over here, rainbow are most beautiful things to view than these that are mentioned in the poem. Over here, for your understanding children, I have made this slide. Now the bridge not only it is built over the river, it can be built over the sea, over the road, over the railway route, etc. So in this first picture you can see bridges built over the sea. This is bridge. You might have been gone through this bridge at some point of time. Second picture, bridge built over the river. You can see the picture. Bridge built across the road. You can see the road and that bridge which is built across the road. Vehicles are there moving. This is the bridge which is built across the road. Fourth picture, bridge built over the railway route. Now you can see the bridge that is crossing over the railway route. This bridge is built over the railway route. So children, I hope you understand this poem, my explanation. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.